Hi, welcome to Million Tutorial session. We learn about how to calculate piecework pay in Million Payroll. First, remember to tick the option Enable Piecework Pay under General Setup. Next, add employees and remember set pay period as fortnightly. Step 3. Go to Employee menu and click on Piecework. Add your new piecework and press Save. Next, update piecework to Payroll. Go to Payroll and add the first half payroll. And go to Employee Piecework Record, click on the employee, press Add. Enter the unit and the date correctly, and press the Calculate button. After that, press the button Update to Payroll. Select the payroll and press Update. Last, check your payslip. Here is the result. That's all. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy.